Good morning. So this is day 2 here on the vlog. We just got up. We're here on the first level here at Circus Circus. We're up and ready. It's about 10 o'clock. So let's go ahead and tour Las Vegas. So they do have a splash pad here. Okay, so we're here at Circus Circus water slide and amusement area. They do have their water park that's now open and available to families, friends. So this here looks like it's a 4 slide, which is pretty dope. And then they have the Cabanas right here. Okay, so this is pretty cool. They also have for kids right over here the play splash area. So my Ariel, my Mariah, my baby Junior, my baby my boobs would love this section. So I would love to bring my kids back here. The bed last night was rather comfortable. I would recommend, you know, bringing your own blanket, just an extra comforter just for yourselves, and then your own pillows. But this is cool. So water is available. This is the place to check in. They have swimsuits available, and this would be the place to check in here at the splash zone. So the pool hours are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And that we made it here to New York, Las Vegas. This is the most extravagant. Literally, walking into New York's food court is amazing. I like to pick up a pizza here. The kids love the vibes here. And you know, it's Instagram fabulous. So we just got done doing, I won $170 off $20 on the slot machine. So I just took the winnings and I'm gonna go walk around. I'm gonna use some of that money to buy my baby my boobs some souvenirs. I'm not a very big gambler, but it's fun actually just to go out and gamble and not worry about the kids. Huge shout out to my parents and my sister and her boyfriend for taking the time to come out to Phoenix, watch the kids for us, and you know, be with them for Easter while mom and dad can spend some time together. So my favorite part is coming up here to the very top. Observation. You can see the full New York outside. People enjoying themselves, taking photos. We're trying to look for some souvenirs for the girls, and they like little cute things like this. I love school supplies. It's exciting. Ooh, sound like this is cute. Oh, I wanted to get one of these for Mariah and Ariel. Okay, yay! So we did our shopping here at the M&M store. Let's go to the Excalibur. So we just now walked over to the MGM. We're gonna walk and take the bridge to Tropicana and then over to the Excalibur here. So we're just walking this portion of the strip, and we like to take our portion of the strips day by day. So we take one part of the portion on a specific day, we do the kid stuff, and then the middle portion of the strip on the next day and do, you know, different kids activities. And then we do Fremont on one particular night. So Fremont we did last night, which was really fun. I always like Fremont. They have a good time. It's a good place to party, hang out, drink some beers, listen to some music, and dance for free. Okay, so we made it to the Fashion Show Mall right here. We ended up parking at the Treasure Island. At Treasure Island, they have free parking, so we literally walked over the bridge, down here, and around the way. Here is Benihana's, and Benihana's is a family-friendly restaurant. It's entertainment. It's a 5-course meal under $40 per person. So I want to show you and give you guys that family-friendly option for you and your family. As a family of 6. Yeah, as a family of 6, it's really great. Everything here. We're standing right over Benihana's. You can see the sign right here. So we're gonna have reservations here in about 30 minutes. So this is a cool armchair. This is new. Chocolate lounge. This is where I want to come and bring the kids or have a nice drink with my girls. Look, Emmett's Las Vegas opening soon. So this is going to be something new that's coming to Las Vegas. So we made it to Benihana's here on the Las Vegas Strip. We have a 4:45 reservation, so and I want to check it out with you guys. It's a family-friendly budget option for you and your family. Let's go check that out. Right on the dot. Our server is now taking our drink. I'm gonna order the Rocky's Choice. So we have the Rocky's Choice right here. It's hibachi steak and chicken breast grill to your specific liking. And I also ordered a Dr. Pepper. So this is also their house salad, small portion, but it's very good. So not only do you get your soup, you also get your salad, and it's really good. Now he's cooking the shrimp. Yummy. So far we have our chicken fried rice.
Thank you.
We have onions with, what is the grease? So they have dipping sauce for the shrimp. You can use this sauce here. I'm not a shrimp lover, but we'll give it to Michael. Here you go, baby. Yummy. And he just took my shrimp. Okay, so I got an outstanding buffalo on $1.50. Cool. So it looks like we want